What's up guys, it is that time again where we all get surprised. Samsung is on to something that we never thought they will do. Right now they have a lot on their plate. They're working on the foldable phone as well as the Samsung Galaxy S10 series, which includes 4 models this year: the S10, S10 Plus, S10e, and also the 5G Galaxy S10, along with tons of mid-range devices that they have planned for this year. And you might think, yes, that's a lot of stuff happening, but if you think this is all what Samsung will do, then you are wrong. Samsung is about to surprise us all by launching a phone that is more futuristic than the Galaxy S10 family. Yes, a phone that is completely bezel-less with no mole, no notch, just a beautiful Super AMOLED display. This has been done before by a couple of Chinese phones, but not from Samsung, and seems like they are about to do it. And no, it's not going to happen on the Note 10 or any on the Galaxy S series. It will happen with the phone called Galaxy A90. Ice Universe tweeted out saying A90 perfect, and then he explained his compliments saying that this will be Samsung's first pop-up front camera phone, no notch, no hole, that will result in a fully bezel-less screen. Very similar to the one that we saw in that concept video where this guy is holding this completely bezel-less phone. Samsung is making that happen. So if you think about it, the A90 will be more futuristic looking than the Galaxy S10 series. And you might be thinking to yourself, why Samsung is not doing this on their flagship phones? And the answer to that question is very simple. It is not practical. Having a mechanical camera or a moving part on a phone definitely make it less durable, and obviously to manufacture such a phone with a moving camera system on a large scale is difficult. So that's why Samsung cannot do it and can't risk the durability of their flagship phone by having a moving camera system on their phone. This is pretty much them flexing their muscles saying, hey, if we want to make a bezel-less phone, we can do it. But it's not gonna happen with the flagship phones. That's why the Galaxy A90 is said to be the first Samsung phone to have this pop-up camera system. And if you know about the A series, they are market-oriented phones. They get mostly launched in Asia, and most of them don't even come to US market and other areas. So Galaxy A90 will definitely going to be specific to China market, and from that it can come to other markets such as India. So total numbers are way less compared to their Galaxy Note and S lineup. That's why they're doing this without any problem on a mid-range level phone. Now obviously we don't know what other specification on this phone will be. There's a good chance that this phone might be powered by the Exynos 9610 processor that recently got leaked with this A50 phone. This is actually Galaxy A50, so we could see A60, A70 and A80 phones as well in between, and the A90 will be the most futuristic bezel-less phone utilizing the pop-up front camera. I would love to see how Samsung will implement this tech in their phone. Let me know your thoughts on the pop-up camera system in the comment section below. Also, we have a huge news regarding the connectivity power of the Galaxy S10 family. I'm happy to see that the S10 family has support for Wi-Fi 6. If you guys don't know about Wi-Fi 6, this is something that the next iPhones will have. It's the next generation of Wi-Fi connectivity that allows for higher data rates, increased capacity, a huge difference in the range, and also it improves power efficiency. So I'm really glad to hear that the Wi-Fi performance will be top-notch on the whole Galaxy S10 lineup. And along with that, we're gonna see wireless charging. Yes, there is a document that's called Wireless Power Transfer, which reveals that the Galaxy S10 family will get the support for reverse wireless charging, meaning you will be able to use any of the Galaxy S10 model as a wireless charger. We've heard this rumor a couple of months ago, but now this pretty much confirms that this is indeed happening on all the Galaxy S10 models. Also, we have some Phantom 2 cases for the Galaxy S10 series, and this basically confirms the screen sizes that we already know for all the S10 models. So 5.8 inch for S10 Lite or S10e, 6.1 inch for Galaxy S10, and 6.4 inch for the S10 Plus. And from the cutout, you can see that single camera is dead. The Galaxy S9 was the last Samsung S flagship phone to have a single camera phone. The latter version starts with dual cameras and then triple cameras with the S10 and S10 Plus, and 4 with the S10 5G. So yeah, that's all we have on the latest Samsung news. Galaxy A90, a more futuristic phone than the S series and Note series, is coming really soon with a pop-up camera. I'm really interested to see how Samsung will implement their version of it, how durable it will be, and how much practical it will be. This year, Samsung is going all in. I am so excited. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.